everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we do have the 2020 edition, or the first edition, of my room tour. I thought this would be kind of a fun video idea, just to kind of show you all where I kind of live and work on videos every day. I thought it might be just kind of a fun video idea. So plan to do these probably once a year, just in December. It's probably a good month to do them. There's pretty much incredible lighting today, so I thought today would be like the perfect time to actually record this. But yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So we're just going to kind of start off over here. So as you can see here, just a few boxes, shoe boxes mostly, my door. Then over here we have Providence, still with weights on it. And Providence is actually located on my dresser, so that's just kind of where I decided to put it. And weights on it, still kind of steadying it out. As you can see, it's much more flat than it was last update, well, the Providence update, which I actually recorded more than a week ago now, so so it's pretty nice for that. And then obviously here we have my main airport, which is Lexington, and that is kind of between my other dresser, which I don't really use as much, and I have just my few like trophies I have. They're mostly just like older trophies from playing sports when I was like 4. And then I have a mirror with a few little things sitting on it, and then this old fireplace. If you do not know, I live in an older house, so it makes it, there's a lot of things that you wouldn't see in modern houses, like these weird old fireplaces. I personally don't like it much, but I mean, it will cost a lot to get it taken out, so I have to live with it. And then up there I do have a little Harry Potter poster. It's actually a puzzle that's framed. My grandma gave that to me. Moving over here, we do have my laundry hamper, not very interesting, one of my windows, and then my closet. Not really much to see in there, pretty much just storage. And then over here we do have my kind of just like relaxing area, if you will. Like I just have a little one-person couch there, and then I have my Xbox, my Nintendo Switch, and then a large monitor, which pretty much serves as a TV. So next over here we do have my model storage area. So this is a pretty interesting part that I did want to spend a bit of time on. Up here we have my fish tank and then some other models. And then down here we do have my model storage area. As I said, now I've kind of split this into a few different categories. Over here is these two shelves are United States models other than United. And then down there is broken models. This is United models, this shelf right here. This is retro models. Now how I determine if a model should go in the retro section is if it is in an out-of-date livery or it is a totally out-of-date aircraft. For example, like my Delta MD-90 over there, that I still put in my main collection and not in the retros because it is still in an up-to-date livery. If Delta were to change their livery, then that would go in the retros. But that's basically how that system works. And then below that I have all my boxes. There's another layer behind that. Next over here we have my international carriers. So carriers located outside the US, except for Air Canada, who I do keep over there. And then, so basically I have 2 shelves for this, and while I did set aside 2 shelves, even though I only have 3 international aircraft right now. The reason I did that is because I am going to be getting a lot more international aircraft for Newark once I'm finished getting my Uniteds, which I still do have a fair way to go on United. But yes, and then finally down there, it's a bit harder to see here, but we do have just my kind of jet bridges, stands, as well as GSE and spare parts. Moving over here, we do have my desk. I do have a gaming chair, which my cat does really love to lay in. He is licking his leg right now. And then we have my main setup, which does consist of my Acer Nitro 5 laptop, my iPad Air 2, I have a Logitech mouse there, and that is pretty much where I do all of just anything, mostly. And then over here I do have my Xbox controller, the one I use for when I play on PC. I have my Xbox controller that came with my Xbox, which I was kind of bored, so I spray painted that. It didn't come out very well, as you can tell. And then I just have my Apple Pencil back there. That's my desk. Moving on over here to this other kind of white shelf in my room. This is mostly just for storage. You can probably see the curtains there. I just have that there so there'll be much better lighting. And basically this is just old books, old boxes, just pretty much anything that I that I don't really want to get rid of because it maybe holds a special place in my heart, but I also don't really use it much. I also have the remnants of my Lego collection. Throughout elementary school, I really loved collecting Legos, and now I'm almost to high school, so I just have a few of the cooler sets. I was really into Lego Star Wars, so I just got like my X-Wing, TIE Fighter, just all the classic Star Wars ships still there, and then my Harry Potter castle. So that's just what this shelf is for. Moving on to the last corner of my room, there is this wire on the floor, which basically just kind of stretches from the outlet there. I don't have many outlets in my room because this is a much older house, and this kind of, so I do use this, and it just stretches so I can plug stuff in over here. The reason for that is because, and the reason I just stretch this here is I don't really care how it looks, but when people come over, I'll just unplug that and put it under my bed. Anyway, next over here we have a bedside table, and I have just a picture of me and my cat, just some basic necessities, pencil, my wallet, my Apple earbuds, a little book that I use to write down school assignments. Additionally, over here I do have, to use this section, I have a spare monitor, a case for my laptop, and then this is a box full of building blocks. Now, I actually found these in my basement because I used these a lot when I was little, so, and I figured these make really good terminals, so I've been building airport terminals using these, so it was really a way to save money on wood. But anyway, finally over here we do have my bed itself, which is pretty simple. It's just a full-size bed with a pillow and a duvet cover. It is painted blue to kind of match the rest of the furniture in my room. It's kind of a dark blue, so yes everyone. That is my room. I just thought this might be kind of a fun video to do, just showing you all where I live every day. Probably do these once a year from now on. Thought it might be kind of fun, but yes. So anyway, everyone, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, leave a comment down below telling me if you do want to see more content like this. I hope you all do have an absolutely incredible rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.